post. It's come back out to Yakubu, who's cut inside the defender, and he's smashed it left to the roof of the net. Dewi Snowshoe. Good finish by Yakubu. 1-0 Everton.
It's his first Premier League goal since way back in April, and they are going
Dewi.
at the moment. 1-0 up.
Dewi.
Even better. Lee Hendry has scored from the penalty daily by 3-0 against Oxford United. Freaking have equalised against Alloa Anthony Bolger, and Oldham have got back into it against 9-man Plymouth, and it's Romari Tunkara who has got that goal, his third of the season. Let's go and hear about that Liam Lawrence goal. What a signing he beat for
Dewi.
The League Forest who fought by 2-1. Vicky Davis.
Yeah, it's been coming, Jeff, another cross in. The Forest defence just couldn't clear the ball. It fell to Tunkara, he controlled it. It rolled to Liam Lawrence, he did it through a sea of bodies. Keeper couldn't see it. Straight into the back of the net, gave it a real thump as well. 2-1 to Pompey.
Yeah, good. Only
Pull it out. Good effort.
Another goal in the game at Pride Park, where Watford had just got back into it against Derby. What's happened now here, Dewi?
They had Watford doing all the pressing, but the ball goes to Green. He gets out of it. It's a wonderful little deep ball into Sheffield. He sheds it past area, smashing into the roof of the net. 3-1 Derby.
It's like a 4th straight home win for Derby County. Remember at the start of the day, 3 points off the playoff places, and 9 clubs just beginning to get things together. 4 for Lee Bayern goals.